How to draw a basketball player, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing the outline of our basketball player's hairline. And if you are new to learn how to draw hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot, and I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Next, once we are all done drawing the hairline, the next step will be to draw the outline of the face on the bottom half. Let's go ahead and draw a C line for the ear, right here attached to where we first began. Now from the ear that we just made, we're going to go ahead and finish drawing the outline of the face that will connect all the way over to the hairline on the right hand side of the page. Fantastic! So far this is a great start. Next we're going to draw the hair of our basketball player right above. Let's go ahead and draw the hair attached to the hairline that we first drew together. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Now once we have the outline of the face drawn along with the hair, the next step will be to add detail to the inside of the face. Let's begin by drawing a small line on the inside of the ear. Then we will draw the eyes, nose, and mouth of our basketball player. And keep in mind that at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing completely colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. Great! Now we're all done drawing the head of our basketball player. Next we're going to want to go right below and draw the torso. Let's start with drawing the neck along with the jersey of our basketball player. Once we're all done drawing the jersey, let's go ahead and draw the arms and hands. Let's start with the right hand side. Keep in mind that the arms that we draw will appear to be very muscular. Also, the hands of the basketball player that we draw will have in total 5 fingers. Awesome, the arm that we just drew looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the second arm on the left hand side. Keep in mind that this arm and hand will have a basketball that it is dribbling. Awesome, are you all done drawing the left arm and hand? If so, let's continue. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the basketball that will be attached to the hand that we just drew. Great, we're almost done. Next we have to draw the lower body of our basketball player. Let's go ahead and draw the shorts attached to the jersey that we previously made together. Before we draw the legs and the feet of our basketball player, let's go ahead and add some detail to the shorts and the jersey. Let's add an outline to the inside of the jersey to help us separate the colors, along with a number on the center of our basketball player's chest. Awesome job! Now let's go ahead and draw the legs along with the feet attached to the shorts that we previously drew. Let's go ahead and draw the second leg and foot a little over to the right hand side. This is how to draw a basketball player. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to hit the subscribe button because we upload on a regular basis. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.